Hi guys, let me walk you through our Tet Holiday journey to discover the cultural activities in Vietnam. We are about to welcome Lunar New Year's Eve, which is the most important moment of Tet in Vietnam. In the morning, we visited the graveyard. Vietnamese families often visit their deceased relatives' graves and clean the grave sites. Burning joss paper during the Tet is an age-old tradition in Vietnam, where we believe that whatever we burn will reach the deceased relatives in the afterlife, providing them with wealth and comfort. After that, we went back home and prepared for lunch. There is a term which is used during Tet Holiday, and that is Ăn Tet, since Vietnamese people are going to relax and eat a lot during the Tet festive season. And also made some matcha milkshake as a beverage. We made matcha and chocolate nougat a Tet snack. Making this nougat doesn't take that much time at all. All you need is melting the butter, adding marshmallows and whatever nuts and crackers you want inside. We barbecued beef for lunch. I picked some star fruits from the tree in the backyard. And we planted a small kumquat tree. Tet is also a chance that Vietnamese spend a lot of money shopping, and on that note, we got some snacks at the shop because why not? We started preparing for dinner with some traditional dishes like boiled chicken, glass noodles with broth, and bang chung, which is a traditional Vietnamese rice cake made from glutinous rice, mung beans, pork, and other ingredients. I learned how to remove la xông, the leaves that are used for wrapping bang chung, and the strips of the bamboo are used to cut the bang chung in smaller pieces. One of the most important things is to prepare a tray of assorted foods and fruit, accompanied with beer on the altar to welcome the ancestors back home for Tet. All of the family members join together for the New Year's Eve dinner and reflect on some stories from the past year. After dinner, it is the most anticipated time for all Vietnamese before the fireworks. We expect to watch Tet Nguyen, a TV comedy show which reflects all the prominent incidents that happened all year round in Vietnam in a comedic, educational way. We moved out for observing fireworks. Normally, that is the only time that we can watch fireworks in Vietnam during Lunar New Year's Eve. I will leave you guys with the fireworks. Happy New Year, and I wish you a prosperous New Year ahead. Like and subscribe for more videos like these.